everybody. I just wanted to kind of give a St. Louis real estate market update. I'm going to read some stats to you and give you some information, but this is all these stats are covering the entire St. Louis Association of Realtors coverage area, which is St. Louis City, St. Louis County, Jefferson County, St. Charles County, and a few of the surrounding counties around that, okay? So for February 2020, as we progress through February, the actual and expected impacts of COVID-19 continue to grow, with concerns of economic impact reaching the stock market in the last week of the month. As the stock market declined, so did mortgage rates, offering a bad news, good news type of situation. While short-term declines in the stock market can sting, borrowers who lock in today's low rates will benefit in the long term. New listings increased 9.1% for residential homes, but remained flat for townhouse and condo homes. Pending sales increased 31.2% for residential homes and 22.5% for townhouse and condo homes. Inventory decreased 16.5% for residential homes and 3.6% for townhouse condo homes. That's why you see all the realtors posting, need listings, need listings. The median sales price increased 9.1% to $189,900 for residential homes, but decreased by 4.8% to $158,500 for townhouse and condo homes. Days on market increased 13% for residential homes and 8.1% for townhouse condo homes. And month supply of inventory decreased 13.6% for residential homes, but remained flat for townhouse and condos. The recently released January showing time showing index saw a 20.2% year-over-year increase in showing traffic nationwide. All regions of the country were up double digits from the year before, with the Midwest region up 15.7% and the West region up 34.1%, as showing activity is a leading indicator for future home sales. The 2020 housing market is off to a strong start, though it will be important to watch the spread of coronavirus and its potential impacts to the overall economy in the coming months. If you have questions about your house or your specific area, we'd be happy to pull stats and talk with you. Give us a call here at Hermann, London. Someday is today. Thank you.